Hi guys, welcome to Cooking for Good Health with me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make flatbread, gluten-free, grain-free, nut-free. So the ingredient here we got 1 cup of water chestnut, half a cup of coconut flour, and half a cup of arrowroot flour. 2 cups of water, warm water, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So let's put everything together in the blender. Okay. So here I got my blender ready. I'm just gonna put add water first, 1 cup, and then I'll add the water chestnut, which is 1 cup, I showed you before, into the blender. Then half a cup of coconut flour, half a cup of arrowroot flour. Then I add another cup of warm water, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just make sure everything go down, and half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Just get the flavor. So I find that bread, when you put a little of salt, they tend to taste better. But if you don't like to have salt, or you have low salt diet, you can also don't have to add salt. Okay. So what I do, I will just start from lower speed. So go to 1 first. And then you just move to 2. Then I'm gonna check whether this is blend well together. So I check that, and I find that it's too thick. You see that it should be running a little bit now. It's yeah, so it cuts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of more water, maybe 1/3 of the cup. So I'll do that. So this is 1/3 of water. Put in there, and we'll blend again. Now just go on low speed. 1. And that's about it. And then let's go to the stove. Then I'm gonna check whether this is blend well together. So I check that, and I find that it's too thick. You see that it should be running a little bit now. It's yeah, so it cuts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of more water, maybe 1/3 of the cup. So I'll do that. So this is 1/3 of water. Put in there, blend again. Now just go on low speed. 1. And that's about it. And then let's go to the stove. Hey guys, so I have my pan heat up for quite hot now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the solution to 2/3 of this pan. Here 2/3, and we'll give that a swirl so that we get round and a little bit thinner bread. So the color is yellow because I put turmeric powder. But if you want other color, like you can use spinach like I used to do before, or you can use pumpkin. So pumpkin, you have to use the pumpkin puree, so that's easier to blend into your flour, your other ingredient. And you can use capsicum, other vegetable like bok choy leaves. Yeah, but when you mix with the water and all everything, you just at the end you just need to check the consistency of your mix, so it's not too watery, it's not too dry. So when you make this bread, it's easier to get that comes out nicely. Just gonna go and press a little bit, and it's gonna pop up. I love this part when I cook red bread and it pops up. It's nice to watch. You see that? It just pops up. That means it's cooking properly and it's going to be nice and soft. And then turn the other way around, and just to check that it's not burning. It's nice and gold. It's awesome. Now let's cook, and I'm just gonna transfer it to plate. And you can serve this with curry. You can make wrap, or you can even put some jam, make some breakfast roll. That will be nice too. Okay everyone, I hope you like this recipe, and please give it a try. And subscribe to my channel for more good recipe coming. Thank you. Bye.